In this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress themes manually. And the first thing to do is to come here to wordpress.org and then come over to the tab that says Extend and click here on Themes. And you can see there's a lot of different themes, so what you need to do is either have a scroll through some of the featured themes, or you can do a search. I'm going to download one of the featured themes. The one I'm going to download is this one, Easel. And what you do, come over here to the download button, click on download. This pop-up window opens and just click here, save file, and click on OK. And you can see it's downloading it now. And there we go, that's completed, so I can close this window now. Okay, I'm just going to install it onto my blog now. So from the dashboard, select Appearance and Themes, and then Install Themes, and then click here on Upload. And this window opens, and then I can browse for it on my computer's hard drive, so click here on Browse, and this pop-up window opens up, and this is the folder that I'm going to upload it from, which is Themes. And you see here we've got our zip file, so select the one we want. There's only one here, Easel, which we just downloaded, so click here on Open, and then click here on Install Now. And there we go, the theme is installed. So I just need to preview it to see what it'll look like, so click here, and there you go, you can see what it will look like. So I can close that now, and then click here to activate. And there we go, that is now the current theme, and it's all ready to roll.